In Thailand, when you buy an MG electric vehicle, it comes with a free wall charger and installation. Unfortunately, it's a pretty dumb wall charger that even requires an RFID card to be able to switch it on. So that's the first thing that you have to do to smarten up the wall charger, is to add the wall charger as a recognized device in the app. I should point out that the wall charger isn't actually a charger in the true sense of the word. The charger actually exists in the EV. I charge my EV from my home solar system after my house batteries are full, but I want to ensure that I don't draw any power from the grid. Unfortunately, with a dumb charger, I can forget to switch it off and I end up draining my house batteries. I've ordered a smart Wi-Fi breaker to be able to switch on and off my wall charger. So this is the smart breaker. Well, they call it intelligent here, microcircuit breaker. So let's just have a look, see what we've got here. So it comes with some instructions: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, circuit breaker. And so it tells you to download the app, make sure that the app is in Bluetooth, so you've got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled, and then you can connect to the app, and then once you've done that, you can add in your Wi-Fi credentials, and then you can control the breaker through Wi-Fi. So let's have a look at it. It looks quite substantial. Let's get it installed and try it out. So I'm going to be using an electrical tester today to ensure that something's not energized when I'm working on it. And I'm going to be using this contactless voltage tester. It's sometimes called a volt stick, and it gives you a visual and audible warning. It's not going to tell you what the voltage is, but it's going to tell you if something is live or not. Alternatively, you could use something like a clamp meter, but you're probably going to get the best results from a contact system. So this is a multimeter, and because it has the probes, it's actually going to make contact, because sometimes you can get phantom readings. So it's always best to follow up with a contact tester like a multimeter. So time to test the volt stick before we turn off the power, just to make sure we're getting a positive reading when we know there is current present. So the breakers are now off. We're going to test again to see if we have any live. So no. Okay, so I've now installed the Tuya app on my phone. Let's just see if it's working. So currently the breaker is in the on position, and on my phone it's showing as on. Let's just press it off, off, on. So another feature of the Tuya app is the scenes section. So I'll just click on scenes here. So here's one I've created: scheduled switch off, and that's scheduled for 3 p.m. 1500 every day. So something that I will do is I'll go out, use the car, come back, plug it in, and then I forget that I've plugged it in. and it will just keep charging, and it will end up running down the house batteries. So with this schedule, even if I forget to switch off the wall charger, it will automatically switch off at 3 p.m. So I have an Apple Watch, and obviously it's a smartwatch, and so I can install the Tuya app on my smartwatch, and I can control the wall charger from the watch. Switch it off and switch it on, and the watch will also tell me what the status of the wall charger is.
Hello, welcome to use MG.
So I have connected the Tuya app to my Google Home, and you can see I have a number of rooms in my home, and in the front garden I have a doorbell and a wall box. So I should be able to say, "Okay Google, switch off the EV wall box."
All right, turning off EV wall box.